Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will guide you through the process of how to fix Last Epoch's failed to matchmake error LE-61. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, we are going to solve this issue step by step. To fix Last Epoch's failed to matchmake error LE-61, you can flush the DNS resolver cache sometimes. Your computer's DNS cache can become outdated and may cause connection issues like LE-61 error. Flushing the DNS cache can renew your IP address and potentially fix the matchmaking problem. To do this, press the Windows key in Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator in the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flushdns and press Enter. You should receive a message confirming the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. After completing this step, restart Last Epoch and attempt matchmaking again. Join a session with a friend if the issue lies with a game server or your specific instance. Joining a friend's session can bypass the matchmaking error. To join, open Last Epoch and navigate to your friends list. Ask a friend to invite you to their session or join their game if they are already playing. Accept the invitation or request to join the game. Once you are in a session with your friend, try to matchmake again to see if the error persists. Use an offline character. Playing with an offline character can be a workaround if the matchmaking error is related to server issues or your online profile. By playing offline, you can bypass potential server-side problems that might be causing the LE-61 error. To play offline, open Last Epoch, select Play Offline at the character selection screen, and choose the offline character to play with or create a new one if needed. Since offline play doesn't require matchmaking, you can continue playing without encountering the LE-61 error. Check for interference or conflicting software sometimes. Other software running on your PC or background processes on your console can interfere with the game input. Close any unnecessary programs on your PC that may be running in the background. On a console, try restarting the console to close any background processes that might be running. Patiently await server adjustments. Server-side issues can often cause matchmaking errors, and sometimes the only solution is to wait for the developer to resolve the problem. Keep an eye on Last Epoch's official forum or social media channels for any announcements regarding server maintenance or issues. Check if other players are experiencing the same issue, which can indicate a server-side problem. If it's a widespread problem, the developers are likely already working on a fix, so waiting is the only option. Contact Last Epoch support. If all of these steps still do not work for you, you can contact Last Epoch support. They can provide more detailed assistance and help resolve issues that may be specific to your account or setup. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.